To set up the CLI, go to Google, type in AWS CLI and select the result page. We will need Python for this. Copy the installation command and go to your terminal. Whenever I work on a new project in Python, I prefer to use a virtual environment to keep my library separate. The purpose of a Python virtual environment is to create an isolated environment for Python projects. It means that each project can have its own dependencies, regardless of what dependencies every other project has. You can work on a specific project without worrying that you can affect any other Python projects. You can, of course, run the installation command to install the CLI on the system Python if you prefer. For the majority of this course, we will be using Python 3.6, but for the CLI exercises, you can use Python 2.7. To create a virtual env in Python 2, you can use the virtual env package and run virtual env and the name of the environment that you want, which in my case will be Python polyenv. To use the environment, run source environment name /bin/activate. Run Python to check the version of the interpreter. If you want to use the virtual env in Python 3.6, ensure that you have Python 3.6 installed, and then run python 3-m-venv and the name of the environment, which in my case is going to be polyenv. I will now deactivate the previous Python 2.7 environment and continue using the 3.6 one from now on. The commands remain the same in either case. Run source polyenv /bin/activate to use the environment. Run Python and see that it points to Python 3.6. Run the CLI installation command. Now, let's configure our CLI to use the credentials for our admin user. First, we copy the access key, and then the secret access key. As for the region, I will be using the London region, which is EUS2. To ping the region closest to you, go to Google and search for AWS regions and choose a region supporting Poly. To verify that we have set up everything, go back to your terminal and type in AWS Poly describe-voices, which will give you all the data about the currently supported Poly voices.